Oh boy, here we go. It is a very warm 28 degrees. We're taking Ferc's 2021 Camaro LT1 to get dynoed. Here we go. What's up, guys? So I'm with my man Ferc. We're in his 2021 Camaro LT1. We're heading down to Tune Time Performance in Lakewood. We're gonna go get his car dynoed. Ferc, first of all, welcome to the channel.
Pleasure.
What are we doing today?
Heading down to Tune Time, one of the best shops around. Gonna get a base dyno just to see what kind of numbers we're working with before we start messing around with some bolt-ons,
Yes.
some mods, and take it from there.
Big shout out to our guys at Tune Time, Matt and all the crew. Those guys do awesome work. If you are anywhere on the East Coast, especially New Jersey, you probably already know about Tune Time. But if you don't, give them a check. I'll post a link to their social media pages in the description. Ferc, what are the plans for this Camaro LT1?
Just want to work on some bolt-ons now, keep the car naturally aspirated. This is the LT1 model. I didn't get the MPP exhaust, so it actually has just the basic exhaust on it. So we want to obviously get a little more power, make it sound a little nicer. So working on getting a catback exhaust from MBRP, which I've gotten great reviews from. So I was excited to try out their product. I also got the Cooks headers with catted 1/7/8. I'm excited to throw those on as well.
So you're going full exhaust, header back.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. The car's gonna be able to breathe. What else are we working with?
I eventually decided to throw on an LT2, which is the new Corvette engine, an intake manifold.
The LT2 intake manifold. Sick.
And then we also have an LT5 throttle body and a rotofab intake. Both the throttle body and the intake manifold have been ported, so excited to get that all on there, and then to kind of wrap it all up. Plan is to put on a flex fuel kit, which I'm really excited about, throwing some E85 on it.
Awesome.
So I'm excited to get that on there as well.
Before we get to Tune Time, Ferc, what do you think the Camaro is going to make on a dyno?
I mean, from the numbers that I've been seeing around on this car stock, especially in a Mustang Dyno, which tends to be very conservative, I'm hoping anywhere within the range of like 375 to 385.
I'm gonna give it a little bit more. I know it's a Mustang Dyno, and I know their dyno is pretty conservative. I'm gonna say it's gonna hit 390. I think it might touch 4. For purposes of this video, I'll say 395. Well, we are trudging down to Tune Time in absolutely shit weather. We should be there momentarily. For anyone watching, I'll just speed it up for you so you don't have to wait. Let's get it. Made it. Whoop. gentlemen. What's up, guys? Well, there it is. We are leaving Tune Time, heading back home. Ferc, do you want to do the honors?
So, right around my estimate, my guess was right. Unfortunately, I wish Rich's was, but we hit the number that they gave us is 380 to the wheels, and I believe it was like 377 torque. So, you know, just right about where I guessed, so pretty happy with that.
So that is a very true 380 horsepower to the wheels. We are going to get this car some parts. Hopefully you get to see some of those videos in the coming weeks. Ferc here has a lot of plans for the car. I can't wait to film it. This thing is a beast. With that being said, make sure to hit like, subscribe. We would really appreciate it. And make sure to check out some more of our content on the channel. Until next time.